Okay, so from the review from yesterday, I think, I got the LG 5000 BTU air conditioner. I took the, here's the owner's manual. I don't know why is this just hot over here. This side's cold, but this side is warm. Is this what the compressor is, I think? Alright, I'm gonna turn the compressor on because I don't know if you're gonna hear a good, try not to hear the compressor well. So here's the compressor might be this way. So 3, 2, I'm gonna put it to cool. Hold on, I gotta do it. Oh no! My air conditioner! What the hell? What the? Oh no! Alright, hold on, I gotta... Okay. And hey, that was BTU.
Hey man, you okay?
Yeah. And that 5000 BTU I'm talking about. And why is this on? Because it's fun. And why not? I want to put this on. Alright, I'm gonna shut this one off too. Okay, so this one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think this one just stopped working. I think I hooked it up or something. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.